everybody, I'm Alba and I have a question for you. Have you ever heard about the three little pigs? Okay.
The Three Little Pigs. In a small village not far away lived Mother Pig with her three little pigs. Everyone was very happy until one day Mother Pig told them, "Children, you have grown. It is time to live on your own." Before they left, she said to them, "In life, nothing comes easy. Therefore, you must learn to work to achieve your dreams." Mother Pig kissed her pigs, and they left to go off and live on their own. The youngest pig was lazy and did not pay attention to his mother's words. He decided to build a straw house so he could finish early and lie down to rest. The middle brother was as lazy as the youngest, so he built a little wooden house. The house was crooked because he did not want to read the instructions to build it properly. The older sister was a hard worker. This is because she used to be lazy and learned from her mistakes. She decided to follow Mother Pig's words and built a brick house. Building a brick house would take a long time. But this did not matter to her. One night, the big bad wolf was walking through the woods when he came upon the youngest pig's straw house. He looked through the window and saw the little pig sleeping peacefully. The wolf was hungry and thought that the little pig would make a very delicious sandwich, so he knocked on the door and shouted, little pig, let me in." The little pig woke up scared and answered, "No, not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin." The big bad wolf was furious and said, "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down." The wolf huffed and puffed and blew with all his strength. Until the straw house fell to the ground. Fortunately, the little pig escaped, running to the wooden house of his brother, while the big bad wolf was still blowing. The mean wolf, feeling cheated, went to the house of the middle pig, and when he knocked on his door, he shouted, little pig, let me in." The little pig answered, "No, not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin." The hungry wolf became enriched and bellowed. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. The wolf huffed and puffed and blew with all his strength until the little wooden house fell to the ground. Fortunately, the two little pigs escaped, running to the house of their sister, while the big bad wolf was still blowing. Out of breath from running so fast, the two brothers told their sister about the wolf and how he blew down their houses. Dear brothers, it's cold and you have had a very bad time, so let's enjoy the night by the fireplace, said Sister Pig. Just at that moment, the three little pigs heard a knock on the door. Little pig, let me in, shouted the big bad wolf. The pigs answered, No, we will never let you in. The hungry wolf was furious and once again shouted, Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Once again the wolf huffed and puffed and blew with all his might. But the little brick house did not fall. Enraged, as he was very hungry, the wolf decided to climb onto the roof to go down through the chimney to get the little pigs. However, when he slid down the chimney, the wolf burned his tail on the fire below. Ouch! Cried the wolf, and he ran out into the woods, never to be seen again. A few days later, Mother Pig went to visit her three little pigs and discovered that all three had built brick houses. All the pigs had learned a very, very, very important lesson. In life, nothing comes easy. Therefore, we must work hard to achieve our dreams.
Hello, in my corner we will work at the sequences. First of all, we will recall some colors. For example, we will ask, do you know which color is it? This color is blue. Do you know which color is this? This color is yellow. And finally, do you know which color is it? This color is red. Okay, next we will need 3 sheets of paper. At each paper we will have a path. Each path we will aid the pig to find his house. Here on the top, the teacher, in my case me, we will pose the sequences that she wants. For example, blue, yellow, and red. Now I will do an example. Here on the top, I will put the sequences that I want the children repeated. And now we have to help the pig arrive to his house. Blue, yellow, red. Blue, yellow, and red. And this is the activity of my corner.
Good morning to you all. My name is Jose and today I'm here. Good morning to you all. My name is Jose and today I'm here to show you the activity of my corner.
As you can see, there are 3 different labyrinths, and in all of them there are the 3 little pigs. Some of you remember what happens to the pigs and their houses? Oh yes, the wolf who wanted to eat the pigs and blew their houses to destroy them. But if I remember correctly, the wolf each time had to blow harder and harder until he couldn't anymore. So, in this activity, we will be the wolves. We will have to blow these balls to make them reach the pigs and their houses. But each time the balls will weigh more and the labyrinths will be more difficult.
Before I leaving, I would like to ask you something. You think you can do them all?
Of course, I'm sure you can.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye!
Hello everybody, I'm Iris and today I'm here to show you the activity of my corner. In this corner we will paint a mask of the character of the story that we like it the most. First, as you can see, we will paint the mask. Then we will cut the edges and the holes. Finally, we will have your mask ready to put on and play.
Hello, I am Montse, and in my corner we will experience the construction of houses with material of different shapes and weights. The material we will be using is the material that appears in the story, the 3 little pigs, and we will have bundles of straw to simulate the straw. Also, we will have small pieces of branches to simulate the wood. And finally, we will have small pieces made of clay to simulate the bricks. Before starting the activity, we will review with the children what happens with every material. What happens with the straw, what happens with the wood, and what happens with the bricks. And finally, they will have to build a house for the 3 little pigs using the material they want. If they only want to use only bricks or only straw or wood, or they can use every material they want.